All right, this is a video on how to copy DVD discs with this copy machine that I have here. You can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trays, and then the top tray is where you put the master disc. And you'll know the master disc because the master disc will always have those labels that are written on them like that. You can see some of these other master discs. Never printed. They always are handwritten with a Sharpie. These ones actually say master disc. The printed discs will look like this, and blank discs will look like this. So you're gonna make sure that you have a whole pile of blank discs that are available and ready right here next to the machine. And the first thing that you need to know is how to turn the machine on. The way you do that is right down here, you'll see a button, and that button turns the machine on and off. So that's the first thing that you're going to do, is you're going to push that button and turn the machine on. Of course, make sure the machine is plugged in there. And I've got the steps to copying DVDs right on top of this machine. So you'll turn the machine on, and then to open these trays, what you're going to do is each tray has a button that if you push the button, the tray opens or closes. So you're going to open all the different trays, just like that. Then you're going to put the master disc right on the top in the very first tray. And that's the tray that says DVD-ROM. All the other trays say DVD-RW, and those are the writable trays. So those are the trays. These ones are the trays for the blank discs. So to show you how this works, it's really super easy. I usually start from the bottom disc, and I make sure that it's fully seated in there. Sometimes you'll put them in and see how it's not fully seated. It still slides around. You just want to push it back until it's fully seated in there in each tray, and you'll get the hang of it. You'll feel it kind of slide into the socket there. There, that one just slid right in. That one slid right in. That one slid right in. And this one slides right in. Okay, so now you've got all the trays full. How do you start copying? Well, the way that you start copying is right down here. You'll see that it says copy number 1. So what you do is you're gonna reach right up here and just push enter. And when you push enter, all of the trays close. And it says copy loading discs, and you're gonna wait for it, and you'll hear it ramping up. And as it's ramping all the discs up, you're gonna see these lights flashing. So all the lights have gone off. They're all fully ramped up. And now you're seeing it beginning to copy, and it gives you the percentage there on the left. It gives you the total amount of information that's being copied at the top and where you are in the copy process on all those discs on the bottom. Now, once this is completely finished, each one of these disc trays will open except for the top disc. The top disc tray will be the only disc tray that does not open, and all the rest will open. And that's basically prepping you to be able to do a whole nother set of copies if you want. And you just keep on doing the same process. You'll take all of the empty discs out. I usually set them right on top of the cabinet in a stack. and then I reload the trays one at a time with empty discs, and then I'll come right down here, and once again I'll press enter, and I may need to press it twice to get it to start copying, but that's how you copy discs.